How to use image-to-image mode to create variation in OpenArt AI. How to use image-to-image mode to create variations in OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to image. Once we click on image, then you go to create image. Now, in order to create variation, we need to upload an image that we want to give it a variation, right? So the way to do it is over here at the image guidance. You need to upload a reference. So let's upload one image. I'm gonna upload this image. Once we uploaded the image, at the prompt, we're gonna say something like change the woman at the top of the image to a man. Now, I gave it a simple prompt. I'm not sure this is gonna do a good job because I might need more details. So if you can write better, make sure to write it here. If you don't know what to write, you can use ChatGPT to help you and just copy and paste the text. Make sure you select the model or the character you want. Click on switch. I'm gonna pick a nano banana for that example. Make sure you pick the best resolutions. So we're gonna click here. Size square, we go to advanced settings, which is the upscale of the image. We're gonna put it on high. It's gonna cost more credits, but that's fine. And then we're gonna generate two images. It's gonna cost 32 credits and create. Okay, so it's done generating. Let's see the images. So probably not the best, but let's see the other image. I think that's a better image. But you get the idea. You just upload the image, you write the prompt to give it a different variation, and pick the model, make sure it's a high quality, the size, and then it's gonna generate the images. Now here's another image that I generated. I tried to change it to a female, and let's see. If Timo was a female, so here is the image, which is kinda good image. Here's the original. I'm gonna open. Here's the original, and then the other image, which did a really good job. Here's another one, and that's the third one. So it gave me many different variations to choose from. So yeah, that's how you use image-to-image mode to create variations in OpenArt AI. Thank you for watching.